What's up, guys? This is my new part. We have an RC-F top seat. You know, us broke boys can't afford the whole thing. I thought, why not? I feel like it might go with the OEM bottom. So I'm gonna try to tackle this and install this top half over the OEM frame with the airbags, the heater pad, fan, everything. Another reason why I wanted to tackle this install today is because it's gonna be raining all weekend, and that's when I wanted to try to do it. I was like, fuck that. I'm trying to get this in today before any more rain hits. Another cool thing is that Lexus actually called me today and told me that the 3 inserts that I need for this seat right here, they came in today. They were back ordered, and I ordered them yesterday. They said it was gonna come in about 5 days, but it's already at the dealership, so I can go pick it up right now. So let's try to install this bad boy and go pick those up for the finishing touches. The main thing I know for sure that I have to do is unbolt the 4 bolts for the seat, and then I'm assuming just unplug the 2 plugs underneath the seat, which is battery and airbag. Battery first, then airbag. Wish me luck. I'm afraid it's gonna blow up. Please excuse my dirty ass car. So I'm gonna pull the seat all the way back. And we're gonna remove these first. So I'm pretty sure I could just pry this open without, Got them both off, exposing both the bolts. So far, so good. Getting 2 bolts. Got that one. Now we're gonna move this up and tackle the back ones. So same thing for those of you who aren't familiar. Move these 2 covers and you'll be able to expose the bolts. This was the biggest fucking pain ever, but I got it. Any of you guys remember these famous chopsticks from my unboxing video? Ding, 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 ding. Now that the bolts are out, I think all I have to do is just lift up the seat and unplug the plugs. Okay, so I was definitely right. There are these 2 plugs right here, if you can see them. So yeah, let's unplug them. I also just disconnected the battery because I'm pretty scared that this is gonna blow up in my face. So now we're gonna unplug those 2 wires and just get the seat out of the car. All right guys, so I forgot about this one damn thing. I was trying to pull the seat out and it wasn't going out. And I forgot about the seat belt freaking attached to it. So take off the cover over here on the side and take off this bolt right here, and you should be able to unhook the seatbelt. Holy shit, this is way heavier than I thought. God damn. See how I'm gonna go about taking this whole thing off. We'll take off the Velcro so we can get to the zippers. Zip there. Unzip there. Definitely have to remove the cable for the heater pad because we're gonna be reusing that. So there are these little pins right here that are attaching the actual cover to the seat itself. And I think my mechanic told me if I want to reuse these, I'm gonna have to be careful with them because they easily break. And most people that break them, they just end up zip tying. And obviously zip tying isn't that very well reinforced. So I'm gonna try to preserve these as well as I can. Took way longer than I thought. All right, time for the best part. Right. Damn, that doesn't look that bad. Let's plug everything in. Whew. All right. We're gonna hook up the heater pad now. Direct fit, everything Lexus OEM. Got the clip in. Hold up, I'm gonna get a thumbnail first. Doesn't look bad. Kind of looks like it goes with it. Hi. All right guys, quick update. It's getting dark and got everything hooked up. Got 1, 2, about to hook up this third one, but there's also another little flap over here. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like a little metal flap and it bolts onto the actual frame, so I'm gonna do that. But so far everything's in. Fuck, it looks so cool. I can't wait to reinstall this. It's gonna look flight. Okay, so I just started up the car and everything is running so smooth. The heated seats freaking work. That is like my biggest concern. That's all I wanted. So I'm really hyped on that. Dude, this thing hugs you like crazy. I love this seat already. The only thing is that obviously the lines don't go down, but there's white stitching on the sides. Doesn't look too bad. Pretty much an RC-F seat for way less than retail. But just that top half by itself, retail from Lexus, $1,300. Shout out to Pedro. Thank you so much for selling it to me. It's looking good. We're gonna go to Lexus right now to pick up the vents that go on the top part of the seat. So the only reason why I went with just one driver's side upper seat was just to test fit it, see if it looked okay, see if the leather color matched, and it's so cool. I'm hyped. We just made it to Lexus. I never come here for anything, so it's kind of cool that I'm here. Let's go get these parts. Damn. Well, I got the parts, so now let's go home and install them. So it's the next morning, and I wanted to show you guys how the seat looks in the light and how the leather matches.
Get too close, keep a comfortable distance. Always on my own with that je ne sais effect. Make you blush and bleed and knock you off your...
I'm super stoked on it. It feels so good. I was driving with it last night. I absolutely love it. It just feels so like snug, like tight. Like I just love how it hugs your love handles, you know? So it's, you feel like you're not going anywhere.
I wear my eyes, yeah.
And now that I know that it works and it fits, I can go ahead and get the passenger one whenever I get a chance. These come clear and I don't want to go get them wrapped. I'd rather paint them, so we are going to make those red again. All right, so we got the taillight wiped down and covered up, as you can see, with the bags again. We're gonna go ahead and start painting. First coat, always light. Quick update, just finished the very last coat. See how red that is? So now it's gonna match the tail light completely. Love it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a reaction to see what my girlfriend thinks about the seat. If you guys haven't met my girlfriend, this is Ivana.
Oh! Oh, it grabs everything, it hugs everything. It's comfy, I like it.
So as a special treat for you guys, I'm gonna have her drive us to Chick-fil-A. No one has ever driven my car before. Let's see if she can get us to Chick-fil-A without breaking anything and getting a ticket. All right, so we are going to have her start driving. Kind of nervous.
Myself. Don't be nervous.
She's adjusting the new seat.
Oh my god,
scared.
this thing, wow. This is fun, okay. Great, now I'm gonna want a loud car.
Brings it life when you make your car loud.
Yeah.
send it right here. Close.
Sick.
We gotta watch out for cops though.
Wait, so what do you do to make it quiet when a cop comes? You didn't even tell me.
You don't.
Little prayer right now.
So far, so good. Seems to
They
be.
won't pull me over. I'm a girl, right?
Seems to be enjoying the seat.
I've been
this
to
seat.
the courthouse 6 times since I've started dating you.
It's not my fault.
I know. I always make you drive anyways, even if we're in my car, which we're rarely in my car.
She's driving perfect, so goes to show girls can drive.
Yeah, I can. I'm actually a really good driver. I really am.
Okay, so moment of truth.
Oh my god.
There's a dip over there, and we're gonna see if she we're gonna see if she knows how to maneuver through it with a lowered car. Yeah, you're good. Swag.
Hey, I had a beaver. It was kind of low.
So we made it to Chick-fil-A in one piece.
Yay.
Oh my god, that was the scariest thing. So,
Yeah.
final thoughts on the seat, babe?
I love it. It's really comfy.
See, she's tiny and it still hugs her. This was a really good upgrade. I can't wait to get the passenger one so then she can have a comfy seat. So if you guys know anyone that's selling it, hit your boy up. So we're gonna go eat right now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Later.
No.
You have to do it.
No. Oh.
Oh.